Hey YouTube, what's up? We're here today, back at Espressotec Sales and Service. We're hanging out in our Barista Lab. Well, you guys saw the last video. We did a bit of an overview. We have something new. It's the Porta Via. This is the Rocket Espresso machine coming out of Italy. We've been so excited to get it, and finally we're going to be able to use it. So you online viewers, tune into this video where we're going to be pulling a shot and making a latte using the Rocket Porta Via. Really, this machine is a travel espresso machine. So it comes with most of everything you need except for the actual coffee. Took us about 10 minutes to heat up there. So we're all ready now to make a shot, make some lattes. All we need to do is get some milk. If maybe someone off camera could hand me some milk, that'd be awesome. Alright, so we're using the Rocket Porta grinder. You can use pre-ground coffee for this though. Just a set of espresso grinds. Comes with a milk pitcher. It also comes with this bottomless portafilter here, and a coffee scoop, a couple demi-tasse cups and stuff like that. If you guys didn't tune into our last video, this machine's going to actually be a dual boiler machine. About a 0.5 liter there on the coffee boiler, and a 0.7 on the steam boiler. So a lot of power packed into a little machine. All we did was pull it right out of the case, put the water tank on the top and turn it on. Just distributing the coffee there, and we'll give it a nice little tamp. Alrighty, let's lock this in. Sits nice and snug in the group. Got my milk here, nice and cool. So, let's lift that lever. I think the pump sounds great in this machine. It's a Vibe pump. Wow. Yeah, a lot of little power in there. That steamed up fast. That was nice. We just purge out our wand. Give it a nice wipe here. This wand here is an anti-cooling wand, so it actually has a Teflon insert through it. It doesn't get that hot. You can hold on to it. And it's got a little thing so that you can move it around as well. One of my things that I noticed too is that it's got a really nice deep drip tray anyway, so you can make a couple drinks here back to back. Alright, so we just got to our hotel room, unpacked our clothes, and we pulled a banging latte. Doesn't look tasty. So lovely. That is making our latte on a Rocket Porta Via. Great machine, limited production behind these guys. So if you're going to want to check them out, come to our showroom here in Vancouver, BC. We're going to have one on display. This particular unit's actually going to a friend of ours, Tutti Car, located up in Squamish BC. So he's going to be trucking this machine around in his Fiat car, which is pretty cool. If you guys have more questions about the Rocket Porta Via, questions about the equipment we sell here, or anything else, please comment below and let us know what your thoughts were. Also, you guys are going to want to like and subscribe. We're going to be doing more videos with rocket machines and all the equipment we have in our shop. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you later.